Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to take a walk through Pattison Park. Yes, we're still traveling on this adventure, and we're going to see some beautiful falls today at the Big Manitou Falls, as a matter of fact. A few fun facts about Pattison Park. First of all, it is huge at 1,400 acres. I hear them. Oh, whoa. That water rushing. The sound of the rushing water is intense. It even feels like you can actually kind of feel it, but not really. Wow. Manitou Falls is the highest waterfall in Wisconsin. In some areas, the water looked a little brown like you see here, but then in other areas, it looked dark brown like root beer. It was really bizarre. That beautiful river cutting through those rocks is the Black River, and it continues on to Lake Superior. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Oh, we gotta get a selfie up here for sure. That is just incredible. That's amazing. Look at that. I'm just in awe. All the way up there. That is amazing. I absolutely love the sound of the rushing water. It's so soothing and relaxing. This beautiful park was named after Martin Pattison. And in 1917, Martin Pattison heard about a plan to build a power dam on the Black River, which would eliminate the falls. So he purchased some land and then in 1918 donated it to the state. Oh, you can like sit on a little bench there? That's cool. Falling in the water, that's cool too. No, that's not cool. Falling in the water is not cool. Not at all. Wow. Well, I hope you enjoyed taking a walk around Pattison Park with us today. It is absolutely amazing. I was awestruck by everything I saw. I'm sure you could tell by my comments. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please give us a thumbs up. And as always, my friends, be happy, be well, and be blessed. Until next time, bye-bye.